Hello world, I'm AK. Welcome to the 6th video for Intro to Java. In this video, I'll demonstrate a user-defined class. Let's begin by opening up Dr. Java. Today's user-defined class is a puppy class. A user-defined class must have three things: the instance variable, as you can see in this field, constructors, and methods. Some getter methods to get the instance variables, some setter methods to set the instance variables, and some other methods to interact with the puppy object. The first thing we needed were instance variables. As you can see here, I have 5: the breed, the gender, the size, the fur, the age. You can have any number of amounts. I have here 5. It could be more or less. The second thing we needed were constructors. Here's my first constructor. It has no arguments. When this constructor is called, it's going to put default variables for the 5 variables. The breed, we void, the gender will be boy, the size will be not available, the fur will be black, and the age will be 0. The second constructor I use will have all the variables as a parameter: the breed, the string, the size, the fur, and age. In here you can see that the variable name breed is the same as the instance variable name breed. In that case, this is called shadowing. So I put this.breed to refer to the instance variable, and this breed refer to the one in the argument. Next we have gender. If the gender is not a boy or a girl, it will automatically set the gender to boy and set these statements, to print these statements. As you notice here, strings do not use double equals. Instead, we put dot equals to compare two strings. Next, we have the same thing for the size. It must be tiny, small, medium, or large. If not, it's going to print this out and set it to tiny. Otherwise, it will set it to the new size. Fur must be a color. If it's not a color in the parameter, it will just come up with an error. Just like you can't load a boolean or a double into the parameter because it's not set to take those data types. Next, age. Age, the dog must be younger than 25 and older than 0. If it's older than 25, the age is set to 0. If it's younger than 0, it is also set to 0. Else, the age will be set to whatever in the parameter. The last constructor will take a puppy object in the parameter. It will just make a copy of the puppy in the object and put it into the calling object. And third, we needed methods. First, we have our getter methods. This will just get all the instance variables. It has a return type with the same data type as the instance variable. And then we have these setter methods. This way we can change the values stored in the instance variables: the breed, the gender, the size, the fur, and the age. The statement written here is the same thing as in the constructor with the 5 parameters. Gender must be boy or girl again. The only difference now is it won't set a default. If it's incorrect, or if it's not boy or girl, it will just not be changed. If it's not tiny, medium, if it's not tiny, small, medium, or large, it won't change. And same as the age. If it's not between 0 to 25, the age will not change. Other methods I called upon is the toString method and makePuppy methods. This toString method will just print out all the information of the puppy. This makePuppy method will take 2 parent puppies. You can mate them together and store the new randomly generated attributes into the baby puppy, the calling object. The random number generator is used above to determine what the new puppy will get from the parents. It's completely random. The only thing that's going to be different than the parent is the new age will be set to 0. And that ends all the methods and the 3 things required for a user-defined class. Here I would like to demonstrate the puppy user-defined class. First, I made a puppy called Lucky. She's going to be a mutt, a girl, small, black, and 2 years old. Eddie is going to be a Samoyed, a boy, medium, white, and 3 years old. So I'm going to run it. Now I'm going to make the 2 puppies using the make puppies. If you notice, I called these out with toString. That's one of the methods. and it randomly selects the attributes of the two parent puppies. It's going to be a Samoyed, a girl, small, automatically 0 years old, and white. This concludes my video for today. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment and like. Goodbye, world.